Friends, I'm here to introduce you one of the industrial expert, Mr. Satish, who is having 25 years of industrial experience in the field of automotive sector and the mechanical sector, and he is a Six Sigma black belt certification. He has certification and having a thorough knowledge of lean manufacturing, and he trained hundreds of GETs and the freshers, right? And he headed the various departments like operations, engineering, and development. So he's coming with a huge knowledge and the wisdom of this thing. So he believes that there is a huge gap between industrial expectation and the actual education. So the intention of this interview and the program is all about how can we bridge this gap so that the more and more freshers can get absorbed into the industry. Okay, so having said that, now I'm going to have one or two questions to Mr. Satish, who is going to share what actually the industry is required. So if you are the guy who is from automotive or mechanical branch, then this is going to be really helpful for you. Okay, so having said that, so Mr. Satish, welcome. And I have a
Thank you.
straight question to you. Tell me one thing now, since you are heading the department and all that. Now, what is that one or two factors you see when you select shortlist the resume?
Fine. Once we get no resumes, a bunch of resumes, it becomes very hard for us to how do we screen it and how do we filter it out. What we look here is the whatever basic information if he has about any industry and what are the departments he has worked, if he's worked, or if he's having a knowledge. So that will become advantageous. So that will become easy selectable for us.
Okay, so if the resume is saying that okay, department was he has this much knowledge and all that, so you believe that he may be having some practical knowledge. That's how you select them.
Yes, yes. So
Okay, okay.
knowledge.
Now,
Yes.
uh, now my second question is now let's say you selected that resume, and in that resume probably you must have written something. So, but it may not be true also, right? I mean, I think you will agree with me saying that
Yes.
resume will be a flashy resume will be there when you really interview. They don't know anything about it, right?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
right. So, and my question is now, what you really expect during the interview? What all questions you ask to get the confidence that this particular students or a candidate can be selected? What are the factors you look into it?
Fine. What we basically look at is the confidence of the person who's sitting in front of us, and whatever is his written into his resume, is he able to explain it better, and his learning abilities in a short time, whatever he has learned, and is he able to exhibit either in he is able to exhibit in terms of his own words, his knowledge. So that will give us the confidence. Yes, this person is useful for us.
Okay, so if he has really understood what all the technical aspects, then he should be able to express it very easily. So that is where you will
Yes.
understand whether he is really capable enough to absorb or not, right?
Correct, correct. We are able to.
Wonderful, wonderful. So
Okay.
thank you. And one more next question that comes to me, that because now we are designing this program for the freshers in the sector of automotive and mechanical. So what are the program? What are the areas they will get exposed to in this program? Right? What are they are going to learn out of this program? So उनके लिए क्या क्या हम लोग सिखाने वाले हैं ताकि वो easily इंडस्ट्री में उनको जॉब ऑफर मिल सके.
You see, the priority in industry is given to the student or the fresher, even though he's having marks of 70, 80 percentage, and he shows us some basic confidence about the processes, what he knows, rather than the person with the 90 or 100 percentage of the marks may not be useful for us. What we want is the person who has some basic knowledge and ability to learn and apply it. So we are going to do the same thing here. We are going to bridge the gap between the industry and the whatever the colleges are being taught. Even though the colleges are teaching everything, people may not remember everything. So we are going to refresh them. We are going to explain about the basic functions, type of industries, what are the departments are there in the company, and how the each department works. what are all the roles of individual person in each department. We are going to explain in detail, and we can also will make a tailor made for a person who is really interested in each segment.
Okay, wonderful. So what you're trying to say is uh, each the technical aspects, everything you are going to try to give everything, every aspect of it, so that he understands it, right? Now, once
Yes.
you probably explain all this thing, though, is there any way you take a mock-up interview with him? So because we need to prepare him for the industrial. So because this program also is designed in such a way that once the program is done, I think he should be going through the mock-up interviews also, right?
Correct,
So
correct,
just to
correct.
make
Yes.
sure whether he is comfortable to share it, all those things, right?
We are going to make him ready in all aspects with the knowledge and with the experience in the learning ability.
Okay, okay. So it's a question of now you would have understood. अब आपको जानकारी आ गई कि लेकिन वो ability to express also is one factor, right? And
Correct.
there are other aspects also when the mock-up interviews are done. Probably आपको पता लगेगा कि उसको और थोड़ा feedback और कुछ देना चाहिए कि when it comes to expressing yourself. So that also feedback they are going to get, so that
Yes.
before they go to the interview, so they are at least seasoned enough to answer any questions that comes in front of them, looking at the resume, whatever he has written, whatever he has mentioned in the resume,
Correct.
right?
Exactly. He has to stand by. He has to watch what he has done, what he has written, and what he is going to speak. So he has to stand by that.
Okay, आपको ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है कि रेज्यूमे में तो रेज्यूमे वाज लुकिंग रियली रियली ग्रेट एंड उसके बाद जब इंटरव्यू करना शुरू कर दिया तो उसको कुछ पता नहीं, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके पास?
Almost. I'll say 70, more than 70 or 75% of whatever we are seeing. So there is no match between the resume and the actual when we ask the question. So 75% it doesn't match.
Oh,
We have
okay.
seen a lot of examples.
Okay, I think industry also, the industry experts also say that because the education is such a way that today's they are only 20% of the people are employable. That means 80% of the
Yes.
people, they don't know actually what the industry is expecting out of them, and they are unable to reproduce or show their talent or skill to the industry. So that's where they are becoming unemployed persons, right? So this program, I think, definitely should help them to get the job offers easily, right?
Correct. Okay. So once we get a job offers, once we get a chance for explaining, so he should not be anywhere behind.
Okay.
So that's why we are going to make him perfect in that direction.
Okay. Okay. So now, last my question is now, what all the what our students can expect out of this program? So what all we are going to cover in this program?
Basically, we are going to explain about all industries, how do they work, what kind of industries are there in each industry, what kind of departments are there, and each department how are the subsections are there, what are the roles and responsibilities of an individual person. We are talking about a fresher here. So what are the requirement by the fresher, what management is expecting from the fresher. So that everything we are going to explain in detail. So we are going to make him ready.
Each department, right? So each department,
each department and its sub departments.
Okay, okay.
And the roles.
Oh, wonderful. I think so once they get the information, basic information about each department, when they go with the preparation, so probably the industry, they will be, they can fit into any of the department. That means
Yes.
They can be easily absorbed. That's what you are trying to say?
Yes. So the knowledge will help us. Whatever kind of questions they ask, even though from different department, he'll be having a basic knowledge of that. He'll be able to answer and give a confidence to the person who's taking interview.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so I think that's it. These are the few questions which I wanted to ask you. On behalf of the students, they should know, right? तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जानकारी होना बहुत जरूरी है कि ये प्रोग्राम के अंदर हम लोग क्या क्या कवर करने वाले हैं, right? So just to brief, just to summarize what you said, right? तो इंडस्ट्री में हर एक डिपार्टमेंट उनको जानकारी जरूरी है और ईच डिपार्टमेंट में क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है और वो फ्रेशर लेवल में क्या क्या वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, वही इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग ये प्रोग्राम में देने वाले हैं, ताकि बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट व्हेन दे गो एंड इन द इंटरव्यू इफ दे एक्सप्रेस समथिंग सिमिलर, So probability of they getting selected is much higher. Is that the fair statement which I'm making?
Yes, yes. You're आपने बहुत अच्छा summarize किया. You're right.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thanks for that confirmation. So दोस्तों आपने तो सुन ली कि इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर कितना जरूरी है आपको जॉब मिलने के लिए। तो आप सीरियस हो, बहुत दिन से ट्राई कर रहे हो, स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो एंड कैंपस इंटरव्यू में नहीं हुआ है तो नथिंग टू वरी। सो इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए आप ले सकते हैं एंड इन ऑर्डर टू डू दैट क्लिक द बटन समवेयर हियर इन दिस पेज, register yourself to know what all content is covered in this program so that you can enter into the main program. Okay, so thank you very much for this listening, and I really appreciate and for your time, and see you on the other side of the program. Thank you.